Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make banana loaf bread, only way. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and mash ripe bananas until smooth before mixing wet and dry ingredients. I'll walk you through measurements, folding in nuts or chocolate, and timing so your loaf bakes evenly and stays moist. Follow tips on testing for doneness and cooling properly so slices hold together. This method is simple, reliable, and perfect for using overripe bananas. Measure dry ingredients first to prevent clumps and ensure even rise. In a bowl, combine 1/2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 tsp baking soda, 1/2 tsp salt, and 1/4 cup sugar if you prefer sweeter loaf. In another bowl, mash 3 ripe bananas, whisk in 2 eggs, 1/3 cup melted butter, and 1 tsp vanilla. Fold wet into dry until just mixed and pour into prepared pan for baking. Place loaf in middle rack and bake at 350 degrees F for 50 to 60 minutes, checking after 45 minutes. Test with a toothpick or skewer. It should come out with a few moist crumbs, but no wet batter. Let loaf cool in pan 10 minutes, then transfer to a rack for at least 1 hour before slicing to finish setting. Serve warm or toasted with butter or jam and enjoy it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.